BFW, with our purpose of enabling progress of manufacturing, we have inaugurated the Plant 3 at Thally, which is outskirts of Hosur. It is fully digitalized. It's a high scale of operation, so conveyorized assemblies, a capacity to build about 10,000 machines annually, machine building takt time of about 45 minutes.
As everybody started growing based on the manufacturing focus in the country, it's always a challenge to keep pace with the capacity to deliver. And that's why we thought there should be a scale that should be addressed. A couple of years ago, we looked at an initiative called LEAP, which was important for us. And there we mentioned the leadership is on a holistic basis, not only on numbers. And when we went to the number part, one of the things was the capacity, which was always a constraint for us. And from there, the idea of setting into this new facility came in.
Congratulations for completion of a new factory. It's biggest and also most sophisticated machine tool factory I ever seen. So I'm very proud of long relationship with BFW for 31 years, and we are very happy always to work with you. And expect more expansion, and you will produce more sophisticated machine and to ship not only in India but also all over the world.
Machine tools are integral to an industrial world, and India has to invest more and more. I've been very impressed by what I saw today. It is a completely IoT connected plant. So people speak about it, it's been done.
BFW さん、ラビさん、新工場落成おめでとうございます。私どもも引き続き一生懸命、御社の発展のために努力をしてまいります。これからもよろしくお願いします。
We always believed that the pedigree and the talent pool in BFW can pull it off against any multinational company. And under the leadership of Mr. Ravi Raghavan, I could see that instead of donating people to the other industry from BFW, BFW can use its own people to propel its growth to the next orbit.
Everybody today talks about India at 47. It means we are looking at the future of India. And here I would like to quote the US ambassador who recently said, if you want to see the future, come here to India. If you want to feel the future, come here to India. And you want to be the future, I would like to say, come here to BFW.
I'm very thankful that many of our customers have traveled all the way right from Calcutta to Punjab and Delhi and Pune, Kolhapur, and of course the abroad. All our suppliers travel today all the way just to attend this function, and it speaks a lot about the rapport that we have and the relationship that we have with each other and the confidence that they have on our capability. I think it is quite evident in their responses.
This factory is very unique. By the way, it is having a global outlook. Like if you can come and see the factory, then you will be able to understand it is one of the state of the art with Industry 4.0. The digital transformation, what we talk about, is completely implemented here. This factory, just apart from their capabilities, they are also ensuring that, the social, bringing gender diversity and a lot more to understand and listen from here. It is a great opportunity for machine maker to be here and also listen to all these industry leaders who are present here.